Ya पकड़ा बड़ा छोटे छोटे काय छोटे काय
ये मैंने आपको दिया, इसको पैसा से आप कंपेयर मत करो। इसको बोलता है आपको दिखाना है कि आप नेता नहीं, आप दिखाना है, आपको दिखाना है, आपको बिहार में जो बैंक से आ रहे हैं, आपको दिखाना है कि आप ইউনিয়ন অ্যালায়েন্স হয়ে গেছে। আর বুবাগরা কথা বলবো না, सबके सामने बोल रहा हूं, इतना लोगों के सामने बोल रहा हूं। अब सब एक होके थानसा होके पीछे में भी जो है हाथ उठाओ।
Most of the people, you have raised some vital questions also, that when it comes about the Triprasa, none of the central parties are ready to
None of the central parties in Tripura, because we are very mindful that Amit Shah gave us the Blue Accord. We are very mindful that Indira Gandhi gave us TTADC. So it looks like the national parties who are based out of Tripura sometimes seem to not adhere as much as the national parties do in center. But the job of a regional party, even Assam Accord was signed because of the movement of ASU and then AGP later, which came into being. So whenever the indigenous people of the Northeast have got something, whether it was the MNF Accord, whether it was the creation of the Meghalaya state, TTADC, it has only happened because of the movement of regional parties and student bodies and organizations. So that is what I was highlighting.
So, there are also some of the reports where you being a part of the government, your party is a part of the, but also report of water crisis going on across the state. At the same time, the government says that more than 87% of the household has been covered under. But do you see really that problem has been solved? Because pipeline is there, water is not there, and there are also allegations of corruption.
I always tell the political parties and my alliance partner as well, don't go by what officials always say. Their job is to give you numbers. We are on the ground and our workers say that पानी नहीं मिला. DM बोल दिया पानी मिल गया तो पानी आ गया, वो नहीं है. जो ज़मीन में है, you are journalists, you all go down. We have our grassroots workers. They tell you that अगर पानी नहीं है तो पानी नहीं है. नल बनाने से सिर्फ आपका समस्या का हल नहीं होता. पानी को भी तो नल से निकलना चाहिए. पाइप बना दिया लेकिन पानी का सोर्स नहीं है. तो ये सब काम को भी हमको सॉल्व करना पड़ता है, एंड फॉर दैट वी नीड टू वर्क diligently, and that is what I have told everyone. That's it.
Is there corruption also involved in this? Because some of your leaders I have seen raise question about the roads and connectivity and other things.
Corruption is there in every level in India. Tripura is no different. But the job of us is to eradicate and minimize as much as corruption and as much as red tapeism as possible.
Being part of the government also, you are raising this.
I mean, I was not a part of the government for 30 years. That time also we raised it. When BJP was in power, they also raised it. When CPM was out of power, they also raising it. But one has to admit that corruption is there in India. And if I try to say that there is no corruption in India, then it's a lie. And Tripura is a part of the system. The entire chain is there. But we have to minimize it as much as possible. That's what corruption is there in media as well. Corruption is there in every field, judiciary and NGOs, in political parties, in bureaucracy. It is there.
So what is the biggest challenge now for the government and tribal development?
To make sure that our people get what has been promised. If we can deliver even 85% of what we had promised during elections, the people will know that the government is trying. But if we keep on hiding behind facts and figures and not work, then the people will also have every right to question us and everyone in position.
Thanks.
거기서 비시 보내. 다음 거 비시니.